Let me ask you one thing. What is the most important and most transformative AI tool people use these days? For many of us, it will be ChatGPT. ChatGPT could be able to write poems, summarize text, draft messages, and many such things. Have you ever wondered how ChatGPT works? What is the magic behind doing all these things? What is the inside ChatGPT which could be able to do all these things? And that is what we are trying to do today. Here is the promise. Without knowing any mathematics, no computer background, we will explain how actually ChatGPT works and what is inside ChatGPT. Before diving into it, here is a quick reminder. Please cross-check. Have you subscribed this channel? If not, tap the bell button and do the notifications as all. I am Dr. C.B. Abraham. Welcome to the channel Truly AI, where we make artificial intelligence simple, straightforward, and relatable. Let us dive into the cooking of ChatGPT. I am in the process of making a salad. We have vegetables like cucumber, tomato, lemon, etc. Why do we cut these vegetables for making salad? Yes, it mixes well, it tastes better, and it digests well also. Same is the case with large language models like ChatGPT. We divide or split the text into small pieces like this, and each of the pieces of the text is said to be a token. This is what we see as a text. Let us see how GPT sees. We cut this into different pieces. Second piece, third piece. Yes. Therefore, here we have the different pieces, the times of India. This is what GPT and such large language models sees. Just like the vegetable pieces are nothing but the ingredients to salad, these are the ingredients to ChatGPT, and each one is said to be a token. This is another token. Therefore, the token can be a word or a part of a word. This may be split into another, or special symbols like comma, semicolon, etc. In simple words, tokens are the smallest component. Large language models use it for further processing. Therefore, words converted to tokens. These are the tokens. Remember, these are not vegetables for the salad, but the tokens which will be used by GPT. But unfortunately, these tokens cannot be directly given to GPT or large language models because computer cannot directly process words or text. Then what to do? Computer understands only numbers. We need to convert these tokens to numbers or vectors. And that is what we do by this simple demonstration. If A equal to 1, B equal to 2, C equal to 3, D equal to 4, etc., can you represent the words tomato, cucumber, and lemon as vector representations? Give a table consisting of these words and the respective vector representations. Tomato 20, 15, 13, 1, 20, 15. Cucumber, some other vector representation. Lemon, another vector representation. Therefore, we could be able to convert tokens to vectors. Such vectors are called embeddings. This is just a demo In fact, large language models uses highly sophisticated vectoring mechanism. And using that, we could be able to have every vector represented as 1000 to 12,000 dimensional vector representations. These vector representations of tokens are called embeddings. Embeddings are nothing but the building blocks which could be able to be used by large language models to create magic of text. Therefore, we have words to tokens, tokens to embeddings. These are not vegetable pieces. In fact, even they are not tokens. They are embeddings, high dimensional vector representation. For simplicity, we assume that there are only two dimensions. This is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. We rearrange these embeddings, which are nothing but the vector representations of some words. Let us rearrange this corresponding to the respective locations in this high dimensional embedding space. Yes, in this arrangement, the words having similar meaning will be having similar representation. That vectors will be nearby. That means we will be having king and queen representation will be close by. Man and woman representation will be close by. Happiness and joyful having the similar meaning, the vector representation will be close by. And say happy and sad, which will be quite different because their meanings are different. In this way, the words having similar meaning will have embedding or vector representation similar. Words having distinct meaning will have distinct embedding representation. This type of similarity or relationship of words could help us to make GPT to play with words and come with magic of words. And this is what actually happening in the case of GPT or any large language model providing text instantaneously corresponding to our prompts. Therefore, we have words converted to tokens, tokens converted to embeddings, and embedding provide similarity or relationship of the words. Do we put all the items equally to make the salad? No. We take lots of vegetables, little of lemon, and a pinch of salt, right? This is the case in the case of languages also. Not all words in the text may not be having the same importance. Some words will be providing context or meaning to the whole context. This is offered by attention mechanism of the transformer, a highly specialized deep learning technique. Why do we need this attention? Let us consider this simple example. I went to the bank. Which bank, you may ask? Suppose the sentence is, I went to the bank and withdrew some money. Yes, now the context is clear, right? Because the money is there, the bank we are referring is the financial institution. Suppose we have another sentence, I went to the bank. Which bank? Suppose the full sentence is, I went to the bank and crossed the river. Now things are clear, right? Since the river is there, the bank is referred to the bank of the river. Same word bank is there in both the sentences, but the context is different. Therefore, this type of contextual difference could be able to be easily identified by providing special attention to the words. In the first case, money provide the context to the bank. In the second case, the river given the context to the bank. And this is provided by the attention mechanism provided by the transformer. Therefore, we have words converted to tokens, tokens converted to embeddings, embedding provided the similarity, and finally all these could be able to provide the context or attention. The sky is blue, cloudy, clean. These are the options come to your mind, right? Similar is the case with ChatGPT also, or in fact for any other LLMs. Why? It doesn't use any intuition. In fact, it uses all these tokens, embeddings, the similarity and the attention, and judge. Based on all these, corresponding to the sky is what is the most probable word after it can come, and correspondingly it predicts the value. It uses probability based on the large corpus of data it has used for training, and correspondingly it predicts the next word. No emotions, no poetic word, no beautiful word coming up, just hardcore mathematical or statistical precision, and correspondingly one word is predicted. We have word to the token, to the embedding, to the similarity, to the attention, to finally the prediction. That way ChatGPT or any large language models predict one word at a time till the full response is over. Let us stitch all the stories together. We have the text, words converted to tokens, tokens to embedding, embedding to similarity, similarity to attention, finally prediction. Let us have a live demo. Can you provide a simple 3-line nursery rhyme about the channel Truly AI? Here is the response. Truly AI sings bright and clear, teaching tech in a way we all can hear, bringing little sparks of learning near. Let us copy this and slightly change it. Can you provide a simple 3-line nursery rhyme about the channel Truly AI and ChatGPT? We slightly change. Truly AI tells stories and bright. ChatGPT helps with ideas day and night. Together they make learning feel just right. See, when we added the word ChatGPT, the whole concept have changed. The system could be able to give attention to that aspect, and correspondingly it could be able to provide an entirely different looking response. What does this all mean? ChatGPT or any other large language models don't see the world we see. They don't understand the world the way we understand the world. LLMs or ChatGPT doesn't have any feelings, opinions or emotions, but it has the capacity to identify the pattern and predict with precision, mathematical precision. It could be able to provide the next word. Therefore, the capacity of the prediction provided by the GPT or any large language models, and the capacity of human beings to provide meaning to that prediction could be able to provide a fantastic combination, and that is what we are looking forward to. If you enjoy this video of ChatGPT without any mathematics, without any computer background, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, Truly AI.